Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enable keyboard sound in your phone Moto G04. First of all, go to the typing interface and type something on the keyboard. While typing, there is no sound. If you would like to add sound while typing each letter, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone first, then go to system, then go to keyboard, then go to on-screen keyboard, then go to Gboard and click on preferences, and here turn on the button against sound on key press. Just turn on this button and here click on volume on key press, and here you can adjust the volume. You can adjust volume from 0 to 100%. Okay, I keep on 100% and click on OK. Now go to the typing interface and type. Now while typing, for each typing there is a sound. So in this way you can easily enable keyboard sound in my phone Moto G04. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.